Hi guys, hope you are well. So today we talk about a new system for unifying or standardizing the material between DCC application. Okay, so just to get what I mean, here we have material made with okay, and this MaterialX system is done by cooperation with Adobe and Autodesk. So the purpose for this material is can use everywhere. So you can use in TDS Max and you can use in every engine. So usually what we will do today, we will create some material in MaterialX. The format is MTLX. Okay. So actually, I don't see too much they talk about this. So if you drag and drop material X in every engine, what will happen? Will import material. Okay. So this in every engine 5.4, they have interchange framework. So this can actually customize how you like to import assets. So for this example for MaterialX, when you drag and drop inside the asset browser area engine, you just import. Okay. So technically what you have done, you have a similar one is master material. Okay. And the second one is material instant. So all what you see here, okay, this is the cool part, guys. This is the cool part. So what you see here actually is what have here in this open source MaterialX system. Actually, they use OpenVBR, is also open source. So what you see here, for example, minimum roughness, maximum roughness, okay, and this is the map, of course, minimum roughness, maximum roughness. So is the same for parameter inside every engine. It's pretty cool, right? So actually is the same. So if you like to reduce, and you can expose parameter and you can use it actually everywhere. So every DCC application now supports. Okay, I think only Blender, the newest version, don't have. So like Houdini or Cinema 4, they support. Okay, and to show you, let me open my TDS Max. So even I can use the same material inside TDS Max. So this material will be used almost in the application. So where we need to do this, or where I like to use this system for unifying or standardizing material across application, because I have very difficult time to export the material, right? So now I think with OpenUSD, now is in USD file, you can include the MaterialX, and it's same in almost any place. Okay, so let's say you have material with your friend, you can just share this material actually. So you don't need to share everything, just share this material and done. Okay, so this one is the same if you are used for every engine material. This one is very similar. Okay, so let's say this is scale, this is scale, okay, and scale UV or UV scale. So we all see this kind of similar thing in inside every engine. Okay, so I open my TDS Max. Let's say I like to use the same material. Okay, you know, guys, teapot. Teapot is the most famous things in TDS Max. Let's do it. Okay, so if we go to TDS Max, actually we have MaterialX. So since I am in Archviz industry, most of the time we use TDS Max. Okay, so if we go and I open the same file actually, and I just drag and drop, okay, similar. Okay, so if you go to white and you go over there, you go Verizon and you just drag and drop, Okay, and you try to re-enter. It's come with all things: normals, roughness map, even obvious occlusion map. So you can just change what you need to do inside, sorry, exterior application. So this is the good part. So it's all material, it's all standard for all application. So you don't have to think about materials. Yeah. So okay, so like you see, the material MTLX can use in many places. So this save a lot of time actually. So let me share with you how I do this. So I think you can understand it. Okay, so I open a new MTLX. So this MTLX is done by Prisma team. Okay, they have also a good software for like productivity software for 3D artists. They are very cool. Okay, so this actually how you get when you open the first time. So I think here with the code, the first thing you need to do is to make the code white color or black or whatever you want. Okay, this later we see why. And also code roughness, you need to make it down, and code also down. Okay, this is the first thing. So I'm using texture from Megascans. Okay, and I'm using this library manager. It's called connector. This is cool part. I will make a video about this library management or asset management software. So let drag and drop some texture. Okay. Okay, so I will use this texture. Okay, have color, ambient occlusion, and roughness, normal, and displacement. Okay, displacement is another topic, so we just drag and drop here. But be careful because this naming some character is not allowed. So like underscore cannot read. So better you just write albedo and color here. Sorry, in the blue color. So same system, blue, you know. So this one, another one. Okay. Okay, for the roughness, the roughness since is one channel 0 to 1, so we need to specific here is float. Okay, so the roughness you go to specular roughness. Okay, and to be sure you need to rename this to only roughness or smaller word, don't put underscore. So this specular roughness. Okay, and the normal map. So the normal is same like Blender, if you know. You need to normal map. Okay, normal map in. Okay, and you go to normal down, normal. Okay, and this one need to be vector 3. Okay, vector 3 because this normal map have vector data inside. Yeah, and so you just plug it and do it again, normal. Okay, so we will have some artifice about this. Okay, so the shape is starting going this way. Okay, but you can add one more thing to the tangent. Okay, and you put here is object, right? You just change to word, of course, small word. You put to tangent. Okay, and another one is normal. So you just tap button and you to get the notes. They're normal, and you go here is also same thing. web, so just copy web normals. Okay, so this is can go to code normal here. Okay, so this the normal setup. Okay, so this is the standard setup. So after this, let's say you like to put object occlusion, right? So the same story, you just get the object occlusion map. Okay, object occlusion, I use this map, so you can use it. Same story, guys. Multiply. Okay, so multiply this and this. Okay, and you get this. So it be, yeah, remember, underscore is not allowed, so I need to cut it back. I put it back. Okay, so you can see the object occlusion is going back. So now let's say you like to do roughness minimum maximum, right? Same thing. You go to mixed channel. This, if you are using for Blender, is same thing. Okay, so you go here, you go here. Okay, and from here you create constant. Okay, so you get constant. So remember, this constant will be exposed in Area Engine. This constant is something like parameter inside Area Engine. So these two. Okay, let's say, let's call this minimum roughness. Okay, and this maximum roughness. Oh my goodness, what I do? Minimum roughness and this maximum roughness. Okay, so let's say 0.8. Okay, and this 0.5 maybe. Okay, so you see is so be sure you can change whatever you want to change here. Yeah, so have parameters same like yeah, same with Blender. Okay, so this one is how much? So you can change the reflection inside. Maybe you can change to 0.04 to see more, and here is 0.1. Okay, so you can see it's too reflected. Okay, so this is on object occlusion. So how to make the scale big and small for the texture from here. No need to go to any engine, do it. It's same thing. I already checked it. So you get to texture coordinates. Okay, you go here to multiply. Okay, for multiply is bit tricky, so you go to multiply, and from here you go to this vector to float, because texture coordinates actually is vector 2D, right? Vector 2, so because have x and y only. So if in that case you just do this, okay, and you go to, after you plug in texture coordinate, you go another const, okay, and you scale you say it scale, be sure you first make it by default 1, okay, and you say it scale UV scale, okay, and this go to, like, you know, guys, go everywhere to albedo roughness normal, or you can create another variant if you want. So let me drag this drop here. So like you see, guys, this material system in node base is very useful for a long run. Actually now when I have time, I just try to make a copy for this, so I can use it in future in any application, so I don't need to create same thing in Blender and 3ds Max or any engine. So yeah, so I like it. So just if I like to 201, you can see how much big texture. But if I copy 2 or 10, so now you can see actually it's procedural. Actually this engine for PBR, for OpenVR, actually is, you can create procedural, because even they have 2D texture noise. So this noise, you know, guys, you can do many things with noise. Yeah, you can do many things with noise. So like you see, guys, this is what we have right now. Okay, so if I like to go further, I can do a lot of things actually. So let's say I like to multiply. Okay, if I like to multiply, so this float, right? So this purple, so this color is mean float. Okay, so I can multiply this one with noise 2D, right? Yeah, so okay, so I can create here noise 2D. Okay, I can make it the first for more cleanup. Okay, and I make it this the second one. Okay, so this noise and this so like you see, is the amplitude is interesting. So you get the effects actually is procedural effect inside, and you can use in any application. How amazing is this? So this is I think it's too low. Maybe just make it 0.2, and this maybe 1. Yeah, so you have a lot of range. So this one, so this the amplitude, I can change the pivot so you can see more reflective inside, and you can play until you get boring. Yeah, so don't stop leaning, guys. Yeah, so this usually what you have. Hey, look like metal. Oh yeah, so we don't forget, so metalness here we need to, like, you know, metalness we need to make it 0, okay, or less metalness. I forget to change this thing. So metalness is less in non-reflective area, right? So we need to make it this way. See, it's nice. Yeah. So you see the behind one is actually yeah. So actually you can try to play with value, but the most important thing is look same. To be sure, this software have a nice things to check is this one. Okay. So after you open to unlock, you have pass racing rendering. Yeah, so to see the real picture inside. So you just need to wait a while. Yeah, so you can see better good quality, right? Like you see, guys, we done something and we can use it everywhere. Yeah, sorry, my English is bad. I know, and also I am introvert. I don't speak too much. Yeah. So this for today. I hope you like it, and let's try this to import to save just save MaterialX, and you can go to Taos, for example, and just YouTube. Okay. Yeah, and go to TTS Max. Okay, and let's create a new MaterialX. Okay, and load. We wait a while, and voila. Okay, so we have a nice material. So I think we done with today. Okay, just we double check everything. Okay, roughness, material map. Okay, so if we go to render listing, let's see what we have. Yeah, so like you see in render, you can see the tiles better resolution. Okay, and is nice. Maybe it's too much reflection. Okay, let's see one more. Yeah, like you see, guys. So if you like to make the changes, you can change the main material and you just reload. Yeah, so technically this what is so you just need to reload back. Okay, so if you get color correction, you just change exposure to C. Yeah, so technically we done something nice today. Yeah, so let's try to remove this all. Okay, and we go to our concrete here. Okay, and we try to drag and drop. Okay, and import as material, and create new instance. Okay, good. Okay, here we go. So what we have, make it little bit issues, little bit type to load. So we have all this. Okay, and we can make it 1 1. Yeah, so we can change. Okay, so yeah, this is what we have right now, and thank you for your time, and I hope I see you next time. Bye bye.